After logging into SuccessFactors, the user can click on Compensation tab to view the compensation forms. The user can view the list of compensation forms in the inbox. The user has the option of filtering the forms based on the different filters that are available. The user just needs to click on the name of the form to open it. Users can decide to search for specific forms that they would like to view as such. In the compensation form, there is the Quick Card feature, which allows the user to view the profile of any of his employees and perform any additional actions. A compensation form is categorized into different sections, and there are multiple fields in each section. In the event where the user would like to view or unview a particular field or fields, he can select or deselect these fields from the columns icon to add or hide fields in the form. The user can navigate to the appropriate section, and from the list of columns, he will check the boxes against columns that need to be shown in the screen and uncheck those columns that need to be hidden. Upon completing the section, the user will need to click Apply for these changes to be reflected on the form. In addition, the user has the option of filtering the list of employees in the form. He can filter by employee name or filter by category. Upon completing the section, the user will need to click Apply Filters for these changes to be reflected on the form. An important feature in SuccessFactors is the Currency Views feature. The user can toggle between A. Employee Local Currency, B. Planner Currency or Compensation Manager Currency, and C. Functional Currency or Budget Currency. Upon toggling, all money columns will change to appropriate currency. As the currency view changes, the budget and group total amount will get updated accordingly. Do note that when it is functional or employee local currency, the budget and group total will be reflected in the functional currency, whereas in the planner currency, the budget and group total will be reflected in planner currency. The user can click on the Budget tab to view the budget. The total allocated budget, budget utilized, and balance amount will be shown, and this gets updated as when the manager enters their recommendation. Similarly, the user can click on the Approvals tab to view the workflow of that particular form. The user can view the various steps in the workflow and the respective user involved. Furthermore, the user can click on the Instructions tab to view the instruction given to users. Moving on, the user can now make recommendations in respective columns. He can choose to enter the amount or percentage column as the corresponding column will get updated accordingly. If budget is configured for a component, the budget utilized component will get updated as the user makes his recommendations. When users decide to change the percentage of merit to be below or beyond the guidelines, the system would not allow users to move the form forward and would prompt an error such that justification would have to be made for such a change. Customers can choose to make it a hard stop when managers are not allowed to deviate from the guidance, or a soft warning where managers just need to enter a justification should he go above or below the guideline. Also, the user can choose to give their comments for the reference of their next level approvers. The user can download the content from the compensation form by clicking the Detailed Report icon. The user will need to click on the Export as MS Excel button to download the report from the compensation form. Once the user has made his recommendations, he can send the form to the next step in the workflow by clicking on the Send to Next Step button. The user will be brought to the next page where he will be asked to confirm his decision of sending the form to the next step.